It's a beautiful Friday morning. Today is another busy day. The whole weekend is going to be a crazy weekend for me. Um, but today is going to be a great day. Sun is coming out. It's not too hot today, but it's going to be a great day. It's going to be a busy day. I'm heading to the salon now to go clean up real quick, and then I have to go I got a bunch of other little miscellaneous stuff. Yesterday I talked about the river trip we're gonna take, so we're going up to the river so Sunday. So I had gotten some food to prepare to take with us, but the amount of people that's coming, I think I'm gonna need like one more 10-pound bag of chicken. So I'm gonna add some more chicken, add some more hot dogs to what I'm preparing. Yeah. So I'm gonna head to the farm market sometime today and grab those, because I gotta clean them and season them and stuff like that. We're gonna get those done. Yeah, and then I gotta go to the restaurant store. I'm here thinking what I gotta do, guys. This is not planned. I turn the camera on and just start talking. Nothing is planned. I don't plan what I'm gonna say. I don't write down what I'm going to say. So yeah, I'm going to get, stop by the farm market, get some more items. I gotta go get I gotta go look at that 4-burner. If you watch yesterday's video, you would have seen I've gotten the sink. I got the POS system, so I could mark that off the list. So now I'm just gonna get look at the 4-burner range. If they have it and it checks out and looks good and they're gonna give me a good price, I'll take it. If not, I'll get that one online. I'm also gonna look at some refrigerators today. Let's see. But yeah, guys, stay checked in. I'm gonna get me some hot water, head over to the salon, get that cleaned, and then we go start our day from there. Alright guys, so I'm here at the salon cleaning this wash bowl strainer. From time to time we have a daily rental room where that daily rental, I'm responsible for cleaning it, not the tenant that rented it. So they just rent it for the day, and we gotta clean it. On the other rooms we normally not clean inside the rooms, right? But this one we gotta do it. So I'm getting it ready for another client, another tenant today. Daily rental has been going good so far. I mean, for the week, 3-4 times a week, maybe 2 times a week, at least. So I just gotta promote it some more to get it fully booked, or mostly booked, I should say. You'll never have it fully booked, But yeah, I'm here. I'm just cleaning this thing out, and then once I clean it, the rest of the building is already clean. Bathroom clean, everything topped up, hallways are clean. So I'm just cleaning this piece of thing right here and put it back, and then we should be good to go after that. I'm gonna head over to the restaurant next, pick up a folding table I have over there. I'm gonna head down to the restaurant store, maybe farm market. When I'm coming back, I'm gonna get all that done today. Yeah guys, so just cleaning the sink while I'm at it. This is our little washroom sink, where our washer and dryer is at. I'm gonna show you in a minute. Let me just wash this up. Quick wash my hands. You see, this is our little washroom with the microwave, our washer and dryer right there. It's also our utility room with the water heater. So that's our laundry room right there. We got barn style doors, or barn sliding doors. I don't know what you actually call it. But yeah, and then this is my little maintenance room. You know? Yeah guys, so Salon Suites does come with a little bit of work, mostly maintenance. You'll have light bulbs out here and there. You'll have you know, walls need touching up, painting. You know, we gotta remodel the rooms every time someone moves out. If you guys can't do it yourself, you're gonna have to be paying people to do all those things. A lot of people go in this business and don't realize there's a lot of maintenance and upkeep. It might look simple, and I might make it look simple, but it's not. You constantly have repairs to do on the rooms. Sorry about that, guys. I'm wiping. I touched it with my wet hands. I'm wiping the camera off. Yeah. So a lot of people think that it's just you just build it and rent it, and it's just stay rented. No, there's a lot of upkeep all the time. You have breakers that trip every now and then. You gotta come here and reset breakers. You got see, we got 2 panels. There's a lot of power they use in this, you know, especially the hair dryers and so you know, there's always something that needs your attention. See, I had to come in and blow this part off right here, and the reason for that is the morning, yeah. Reason for that is I had to what do you call it? Sorry about that. I had to every time they step in and step out, it tracks that dirt from outside, leaves and all that onto the mat. So by keeping it clean, by keeping it clean, it won't mess it won't mess anything up, you know. Alright guys, so we're here at the Peppers location right there. I came to get this table right here. We're gonna need this table for Sunday when we go up by the river. So I came to pick up this table. That way, if there's no picnic tables up there, we could just set up our own setup, you know. So I'm just borrowing it because I'm gonna take it back once I use it, because I need it here as well. I need it here so I could and the reason why I need it here, because the plans right here, when you spread them out, is huge. The plans are huge, so we gotta spread all those plans out, you know, in order to read the plans. Yeah. Sorry about this, guys. I'm just trying to situate these things properly. Alright, let me put this in. It's kind of hard working with one hand, guys. Bear with me. Bear with me. Alright, there we go. So yeah, gas station kind of busy. I'm trying to close the lockbox, that's what I'm doing. Alright guys, place locked up. Let me go look and see if anything is going on over here. I got a lot of garbage over here. Oh, they're tiling the bathroom. They're working on the bathroom over there. Yeah, and we gotta dig up the whole of this area right here. But yeah, so this is where the grease trap is gonna go, right in that area right there. So they're gonna have to dig all that dirt out to put it in. Alright guys, so I'm here. I made a list of where I'm gonna go, what I'm gonna do. I need to return one of those shorts I bought, and then I'm gonna get me 2 other ones that I liked. Hold on 1 second guys. Hello? Yeah guys, I got a phone call here. So yeah, so my list that I made, let's see what my list. I keep saying today is Saturday, but it's actually Friday guys. It's Friday. So I keep saying today's Friday. Tomorrow I'll be in, I head up tomorrow morning. I'm gonna leave like 4 or 5 o'clock, head up to Nashville, Tennessee, to pick up those tiles that we're gonna use inside the Peppers project. It's about 4 hours drive, but I'm saving a lot of money. I said this in yesterday's video. I'm saving so much money. 3 pallets of tile for $500. I can't beat that. It's like 2,000 something I would spend for that amount of tile. So it's worth the drive going up there. We could just do some sightseeing and stuff like that at the same time. So today I gotta get everything done today so I could leave tomorrow. Yeah. So I got a bunch of little miscellaneous stuff I gotta do today. Alright, so let me check my list. So my list is I gotta pick up some more food for the trip on Sunday. So I'm gonna get me some more hot dogs and burgers and some salmon burgers, stuff like that. So I'm gonna get that before the day ends today. So that way I don't have to do it tomorrow. Because tomorrow I'll be driving most of the day. Alright, I picked up the table. I got the table. When I go down, let me add some to the list. I gotta get the cooler. Pick up cooler from trailer. I got me those white coolers. I have the coolers in the food trailer at the lot. So I'm gonna pick up the cooler from the trailer. I gotta pick up the grill. What else I gotta pick up? I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Alright guys, I'm gonna head over to Lowe's real quick. I think I might buy another grill. I have a grill, but it's down there in by the truck yard. A friend of mine, he uses it. They work at a truck yard, so they've been using it. So I guarantee it's gonna be dirty. They use it a lot more. So the other day I told them, to be honest, yo, just keep it over there, because they use it, I don't use it. It's a real good friend of mine. It don't matter, you know, who has it. But in this case, because I'm gonna use it Sunday, I ain't got no time to clean it. I think I'm just gonna grab another small one, a little small cheaper grill, instead of trying to clean that one, you know. So let me go over to Lowe's and see if they have the one I want, and then I'm gonna work my way and return these shorts. I already cleaned the salon, so let's take that off the list. I'm return the shorts next. That's Sam's Farm Market. Okay, so let me head to Lowe's real quick. Alright guys, I'll check back in when I'm in Lowe's. Alright guys, so I'm here at Home Depot. What going on Home Depot? We're gonna get look for a grill. Let's hope they got a good one. See, Home Depot. No, yeah, me Home Depot. Lowe's. Got Lowe's so much. Got Home Depot so much. Every time I go on other store, I call it Home Depot. yeah. Let's see. See if we can find small grip. Sometimes they got the little tiny ones. Yeah, we got them now, no small grill. Portable. No little portable ones. How about it's down in the aisle where he's working? Look at the power wash hose in the meantime. $30. Remember the other day I've been wanting to buy some hose, power wash hose. $3,200 PSI. This can't handle 3,200 PSI. They're bugging. None of these hoses can handle 3,000 PSI. You put that on the machine I have, it's just gonna break. Maybe this one look like it's got wire in it. See it? That one it could take more pressure. But they still look flimsy, like they're gonna just break. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna go to the hose store, the hydraulic store, and have them make me a hose from stronger hoses, you know, hoses with wire in it. Yeah, so look guys, these are the grills. See that one? Oh, I think I saw the one I want. This one. This is the best grill ever, guys. This grill right here. If you're in a Lowe's, go get this grill. When it comes to charcoal, you could slide it out. You don't have to take the grill up to put the charcoal in. See, you could slide that draw out, and guess what? It's only $69. So I'm gonna grab this one right here and make sure it's the right one. 524. Yep, 24. So this one, $69. Go grab yourself one. You could cook like 3-4 chickens on there. It's just a round grill. It's nice and thick. It burns real good. So you can just pull this out, put the charcoal. So every time the coal get low, you just pull that draw out, put more coal in and slide it in. You don't have to take your meat off and put it back. You know what I'm saying? So that right there is excellent. That's an excellent choice right there when it comes to charcoal grill. $70. Alright, so I'm gonna grab, I have charcoal already, so I'm just gonna grab me some lighter fluid, because I have one of these guys, but because where we're going, it's like an electric lighter. Make sure you grab yourself one of these. It plugs in and you just stick this in the coal and it lights it. You don't need no lighter fluid, right? But as I said, if you got one of those and you at the house, you could use this. But where we're going, we ain't gonna have no power. So because we don't have no power, I'm just gonna use lighter fluid. I already have charcoal already, so. Alright, let me grab this and go. Alright guys, so we got the grill. We're at Lowe's. We got the grill right there and some lighter fluid. We're heading to the next stop. $80 on a grill and some lighter fluid. You're gonna see me using this grill and cooking on this grill. It's the best grill ever I've seen. It's not thin, it's thick, sturdy, well built. That's a good job with the char griller. Char grillers made by char grillers. But that's the best grill ever, guys. Just take my word for it. I've been in the grilling for over 10, probably 15 years now with the restaurant business and stuff like that, so I could vouch for this one, guys. Yeah. I've had like maybe like this is like the third one, and every time I get it I ended up giving it to someone because it's so good. I end up somebody see me with it and then I ended up just telling them keep it, you know, they borrow it to use it and then I just never get it back, so I say yo, just keep it. But because it's only $70, you could give it as a gift, right? Yeah, so as I said, a friend of mine, real good friend of mine, he used it, he uses it at the truck yard. So the other day, to be honest, I told him, yo, just keep it by there because you guys use it. I ain't using it. I wasn't using it, you know. I only use it like times like these. We going somewhere and, you know, once or twice a year, you know. When I used to go to the truck yard a lot, I used to use it every time we go there. We cook on it, right? But because we ain't cooking like that anymore, you know. Yeah. All right, we're going on to the next stop. Let me put my GPS to see where I'm at. I know where I'm at, but I'm trying to figure out the best way without traffic to get where I'm going. So I'm going over to the Target over there. Turn some gear on, guys. Alright, so let me look for where I'm going. So I'm going to Target. Don't worry about me looking down, guys. I'm still in the parking lot in Lowe's. I ain't driving, so I'm gonna stop so I could look it up real quick. Target. Alright, so I found it, guys. So we heading to Target. Let's go. Yeah, so it's today feels like a Saturday, so I keep saying it's Saturday, but it's not Saturday. It's Friday, guys. But I keep saying it's Saturday. You know, I don't know why it feels like Saturday today. I guess because I was running around yesterday, it felt like Friday yesterday. So today it feels like Saturday. However, we're gonna get it done. We're on our way. We're gonna get it done. Yeah. Taking my time and work through that list, you know? Work through that list. Yeah, guys. So yeah, the build is coming along real well. Oh, I gotta respond to that guy. Someone reached out to me and accepted my offer for another POS. So I reached out to 3 people. I took it from one. The other 2 said they'll take the offer I offered. So I'm just gonna reach out to them just to tell them, hey, you know, I got through with one already. I was still trying to decide if I needed 2 or I needed 1. I think I'm just gonna go with 1, and then I'll use an iPad to do the rest. like the phone orders, we just have an iPad in the back. So as far as the POS system, we'll have one in the front, and then the rest in the back. You know, we just use iPads in the back. So if there's someone cashing someone, we could just grab an iPad and take their order, you know. Yeah, that's how that works. So I'm not really gonna be getting 2 POS to put on the front. Well, as of now, I don't think I need 2. Maybe later on we could add 2 different forms of payment. I'm highly thinking that I want to, but at this point I'm trying to conserve on funds to spend, you know what I'm saying? So I'll probably just start out with one, and then later on we add another one, you know. Hopefully we'll get good deals then, by then. So I'm just gonna reach out to those people and tell them that, you know, I'm no longer interested. We already got one. Yeah, guys. So we're on it. It's a beautiful Friday. It's a nice day today. It's nice and it's not hot, but it's, you know, it's summertime. So, you know, the sun is out. It is gonna get warm in the daytime, middle of the day, but it's a beautiful day. I don't know how much they got diesel for over here. I should have checked. I could just fill up right here. Guys, I've been running low on gas all the time because the truck, the diesel is expensive. So I put some diesel in there the other day, but because it was so expensive at that much pump, I only put like 20 bucks in there. So it's like every day I gotta be putting diesel. See, this one is expensive. It's actually 409 right here somewhere. Go up the street. Diesel is not that expensive. Diesel is somewhere around 350 something, somewhere there around. So some of these gas stations, they be selling this diesel too expensive. I guess it's depending on where they are, you know. Some of them, it's farther away for the trucks to take it to them. So I guess they charge more. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So it's now 10:30. We got most of what we needed to get done at the salon. That's done. We picked up the table, we got the grill. So now I'm gonna take care of the shorts I needed to return, and then I'm gonna head over to the restaurant equipment store, see what they got. As I said, on the refrigerators and stuff like that, I think I'm just gonna order it new. That's where I'm at with it. I'm gonna order it new because these places, they're selling these refrigerators for more than what the new cost is. I speak about this almost every day, but just in case you didn't watch the last videos, I'm gonna say it again. It's like we spend, they be selling the used ones, you know, for more than what, you know, the new one is, you know. So I don't know what's the deal with that. And some of them are the same off-brand. It's not like it's a brand name used one you're selling for more. It's the same off-brand and you're selling for more than what it's selling for online, you know. So I think I'm just gonna suck it up and pull the trigger and buy the new one. I don't want no issues with the equipment, you know. Not for the first year, you know what I'm saying? I don't want no breakdowns. I'm trying to set this place where it's just sturdy, it's there, nothing breaks. You would have to be calling no one to repair. I don't have to go there every minute. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to set it up where I don't have to be there every day, all day, just watching equipment, make sure it works. I need it to work. Every time they press that button, it works. You know what I'm saying? Sorry if you're shaking around, guys. I have you in the cup holder. Yeah. So, you know, you need, I'm shopping for quality equipment, good equipment, and at the same time good price. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not gonna go out and buy the cheapest version, but at the same time I'm working with a budget, you know. So if I have to buy the cheapest, I will, you know. It's just that you gotta make better choices in terms of like if it's used, you know, is it gonna break? If you know you're gonna spend 200, 300 less and buy a used one and it breaks on you and you gotta spend more than 300 to fix it, right? While if you bought the new one and spent 300 more, it would have lasted a year, 2 year, 3 year, maybe it'll last a lifetime. You know what I'm saying? You never know when it comes to these equipment. If you take care of your equipment, it'll take care of you, you know. I was speaking to one of the owners over there by the equipment store, and we were talking about the difference between so some refrigerators, if you notice, they'll have a top mount compressor and motor and stuff, or a bottom mount where it's on the floor under the fridge, right? So the difference is, he was saying, you know, when it's down below, people could stack stuff on top of it, right? So that's all cool. You got space to put stuff. When the motor is on the top, you can't really stack stuff on it, right? So I was telling him it gets real dirty whenever the coils and stuff under there, a lot of lint, dirt, and you know whatever is on the floor gets sucked into it, right? So let's say you're there sweeping out and it's all that dust, it goes in there and stick in the coils, and then it burns your compressor up, right? Because there's no airflow. So I was telling him, I don't like when it's on the floor, it gets dirty real quick, faster. I would say, right? Yes, it's easier to service because it's on the floor, you could just pull it out, and you know, so there's advantages right there. So we were talking about that, and we were talking about, you know, people don't get them clean. So that's why their refrigerators go out when it's brand new, right? So you'll have a brand new refrigerator and the whole year you haven't cleaned those coils. If you don't clean those coils, chances are you're gonna overheat and, you know, mess up your compressor in that refrigerator, right? So we were talking about all of that. So if you take care of your equipment and clean these coils once a week, once every month, or whatever, as long as you have a routine scheduled maintenance, your equipment should last. You know what I'm saying? So we were just talking about that like 2 days ago. Alright. So, you know, whenever you're building out these places, make sure you have a maintenance plan. Make sure your fryers get cleaned every day, or you know, or whatever your routine is. Make sure your hood grease system get cleaned, you know, when it's supposed to. I think it's like every month or every 2 months or every quarter. I know like grease trap is like every quarter, you know. So everything has a maintenance time on it, right? So make sure you get them clean, guys. Some of these things are mandatory. So like the hood system has to be clean, the fog, which is the grease trap, those has to be cleaned. They get inspected, so you have to have a manifest showing that you got them clean, you know, on time every month or every quarter or whatever, right? But some things are not mandatory, like the refrigerator, and that's up to you, you know. That's not up to, yeah, that's up to you, the owner, to get those clean, you know. But yeah, I'm on the road. I'm heading down to Target, so I'll check back in once I get down there. Alright guys, so we're pulling up into the Target, to the plaza right there. They got Home Depot, AMC, Hobby Lobby, Ross, Marshalls. I went to Ross, that's where I bought this, but I never got to go to Marshall. I had to leave real quick and head down to I rushed out real quick and head down to meet the guy with the sink yesterday. So I was right here yesterday looking at some shorts. I bought 3 of them, but I didn't like one, so I'm gonna return it and then go over to Marshalls, take a look in Marshalls, and go over to Target. I like the ones inside Target, so I'll probably get them from in Target. Yeah, but yeah guys, let me go return this. You know, we're right here by them. It's not a mall, it's like a strip mall plaza or whatever, a Home Depot plaza. But you got Ross right there. We'll head over there and go return this thing right here. See if I could get a parking. I'm gonna swing back around, guys. This truck, as I said, is huge, so I gotta park far away. Yeah. Well, big truck issues. Big truck issues, you know? You gotta turn wide, you have to swing wide when you know, I got the big wheels on there, and so you have to swing wide. You can't just put it anywhere, you know? But it's cool though, it's all good. Alright, let me pull up right here. Beside this person. Yeah, we always park far away. That way we're out of reach. Alright guys, so let me get into Ross and return this. Alright guys, so leaving Marshall's. We got 3 shorts. I like them, they fit real good. Got a white one fits best. The other one is just like casual shorts I could wear every day just to go to work. I'm a shorts guy, yo. I don't wear pants, period. Like even in the winter time, I don't wear. Only time I wear long pants is if I'm going somewhere that requires me to wear long pants. But I don't like long pants, guys. I don't like how it feels on my legs. I don't know. Maybe it's a Jamaican thing, but I hate long pants. It's shorts every day, all year round. It gets cold here in Georgia, so a lot of times there's sometimes you have to wear those cold days where you're gonna be on the outside. You have to wear long pants, right? So I do keep a couple pairs. I have a lot of jeans and a lot of joggers and stuff like that, but as I said, I don't wear them. I have a closet full of them and I don't wear it. It's just, I just don't like the feeling. I don't know. I guess I'm an island boy. Wear shorts every day. Growing up, I just wore shorts. I didn't wear long pants. It was all shorts. So I'm gonna head over Target real quick. I saw some shorts in there. They're kind of pricey. For what it is, it's some short linen shorts kinda, but I'm thinking about it. I'm gonna try it on and see how it fits. If it fits good, I like them because the colors, they're it's colorful. So I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna take it. Alright guys, so let me jump out and go inside, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, so I left Target. I'm heading over to the gas station now, get some gas. I'm gonna stop by the house, drop these things off, and then head to the farm market. I think I'm gonna get something to eat. It's almost 12 by the time I get home. So yeah, got a few more shorts in Target, so I'm just gonna go home and take everything out. The truck is filled with stuff, so the table, and I got the grill back there, and so I'm just gonna take all those things out and then head to the little farm market next. I'm gonna just pick up some extra meat and some burger and some bread. Probably head over to Sam's too. As far as the restaurant equipment, it's on the other side of town. I might not go there. I might just leave that, go home and do some research after that. And I'm considering to just buy whatever I was going over there to look at. I'm just gonna buy it new. I don't want no problems with stuff breaking down, so I'm just gonna buy it new. I'm not getting like for instance the double deck oven, right? It's for like $3,700 for a double stack oven, a brand, off-brand version, right? Online. I'm not finding any used, whether it's off-brand or branded version used for less than that, right? So the used ones are more than 37.50. All right. So I think I'm just gonna settle for the new one. I don't want to buy one and then have any issues later on, a couple months, the day of, it won't light. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, you know, how long it's been made, how long they'll be using it. I don't know. Things go bad with those ovens from time to time. So I think I'm gonna just bite the bullet and get a new one. Yeah, so these equipment, guys, they're real expensive. Even the refrigerators, they're real expensive, guys. The refrigerators are just off the chain, you know, 2,000, 3,000, and those are the cheap ones. The expensive ones go up to 4, 5, 6,000, you know. So I don't know, I'm just gonna stick with the cheap ones. I can't afford the brand name stuff. Maybe later on, but not right now. Yeah. Alright, so we'll go over Walmart, stop over Walmart gas station, get some gas, and then head on over to the house, and then go from there. The only reason why I wanted to go to the equipment store is to search for a sink. I was gonna search for like a 3-tier sink to see if I could get it for less, you know. But the way things are going, they're not less, they're more, you know. So I'll see. Alright guys, I'll check back in after I get the gas. I'm pulling up to the gas station. So let's see. Oh, hold up. Did this gas station sell diesel? I think they sell diesel. Yeah, I think so. That's the thing about driving a diesel vehicle. My lip them white. That's the thing about driving a diesel vehicle, guys. Some gas stations do not sell diesel, you know. And then when you're in the truck, you have to remember to buy diesel and not put gas in there. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So yeah, we're on it. Alright, I'm gonna pull in, get the gas, and then we'll move on to the next. It's a busy day today. It's Friday. We're on it. We're knocking out both personal and business stuff. You know, it's more personal today than business. I already picked up a bunch of stuff yesterday, so we'll get back on it, I guess, on Monday. We'll get back to, you know, buying stuff for the restaurant. But yeah, guys, let me go get this gas. Yeah, finally I found some cheaper diesel, guys. It's $3.33 here at the Walmart. Everywhere I've been going, it's over $4. It's like everywhere I go, it's like $4.09, $4 and something. So I got cheap diesel right here, right by my house, pretty much. So yeah, let me get this thing started. Hold on. I'm trying to put you guys right here so I could. I hope it don't fall off. All right. Guys, so we got diesel $3.33. It's a good price. I'll probably put enough in there for because I'm gonna use this van on Sunday to go up to the mountains. So I'm just gonna put enough so it could take us. $3.33.
So the plan is I'm gonna take this van down to the truck yard and get the other van, the cargo van, because I'm gonna use the cargo van to go pick up the tiles tomorrow morning. So tonight I'm gonna drop this one down there, leave it, and then drive the other one up to go early in the morning. So I'm gonna leave like 4 or 5 in the morning and go to Nashville to pick up the tiles. I'm gonna have to be swapping cars a lot. This I'm gonna use on Sunday. The other van I'm gonna use tomorrow, which is Saturday. So I'm gonna swap this out, use the other van, then come back, swap it back out, take this van, and then use this van to go to the mountains. That's what's going on. Hey guys, so see, we got 80 bucks. 80 bucks already, and it's not even filled. I'm thinking it's gonna be like 100 bucks to fill it up. Close to 100 maybe. Gas is expensive. I spent like $200 already. After this, it's gonna be like $200 in 1 week. I've been doing a lot of driving all over now. It's at 95 now. 97. Yeah, so it's slowing down. So 100 bucks. I think the pump is capped at 100. Yeah, a lot of these gas stations, they govern the diesel to 100 bucks. It's like if you want more than that, you'd have to if you want more than 100 bucks, you'd have to, you know, do it again, like stick your card in there and, you know, do it over to pump another 100. So they govern it. Yeah guys, so we all filled up though. The truck is on full. Took us 100 bucks. 100 bucks and 16, and it's, let's say it's filled. I know it could have took like maybe another 15 bucks maybe to fill it all the way to the cap. Yeah. But yeah, I'm done, got my receipt. I'm gonna head over to the house now, drop some stuff off, and then continue with this journey. Life every day, you know. You guys might think it's boring. It is boring sometimes. I'm just here talking and going all over the place, but that's like my life every day, you know. A lot of people do more than what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just documenting what I'm doing, you know. Yeah, I'm just documenting what I'm doing pretty much. Yeah, you guys don't really have to watch, but I would appreciate if you just, you know, subscribe to the channel if you don't want to watch it, you know. Just leave it playing and hear me talking or something. Something might be of interest one day. It might not be today, but it might be one day, you know. I might speak on something that might interest you. So please drop a subscribe and a like on the videos. I'm dropping videos every day, so I'm not expecting people to like everything or watch everything. I'm dropping it every day. So in other words, I know you guys won't be able to keep up, you know. So I'm just here dropping it. You watch when you can or don't watch. You know what I'm saying? It ain't a big deal. I'm just dropping videos. This is what I do every day. This is what this vlog is about. Me talking, telling you what I'm doing, traveling around with me to you know, the different places. Right now, see, I'm in Walmart in the lawn care section. You know, you could follow me around picking up stuff. See, I got the grill, I got all those things right there. You know, plans over in the corner. This truck is a work truck. When I'm using it, I'm using it. You know what I'm saying? When I'm using this truck, it get used, you know. So yeah guys, so I'm gonna go in. I stopped in Walmart. I was heading home, but I stopped at Walmart because I'm gonna get me another sprinkler. Hold on guys, let me fix this thing. Yeah, I'm getting another sprinkler the sprinkler I have, it worked real well. The one that goes so the one that goes over like this, I have to keep moving it. So with the sprinkler, the one I'm getting, I just leave it on the hose and just turn it on, and it does what it needs to do. So all I gotta do is just turn the pipe on and off. Or you. Yeah, so with this one I just set it up and turn the hose on, I let it water for a minute and then turn it back off. And we're good to go. So yeah. So let me grab. Oh crap, there's none. There's none. There's none over here, guys. Look. See, I'm trying to get this one. This one right here. There's none. I hope somebody had moved one or something, but no, there's not. Alright, so we're gonna have to check another location. Not now, but maybe later on today. I wonder if they got. Oh, they have some in the back. I see some way in the back. I found some back there. See? So I'm gonna get 2 of them. I'll get 2 of them. Yeah. Patio. I'll try to get one of these things one day. This little thing right here. Alright, let's go cash out. I don't need no bag. That's good. Thank you. Alright, thank you. Alright. Alright guys, so I got what I needed. Yeah guys, so you see how I'm walking out right here from the Walmart? The other day, I came in here one night and you know they be pushing their cart out from the doors right there, and then I'm driving. So I drove over by the door, stopped because there was cars in front of me. So I stopped. This guy pushed his car out almost into my car. So I continued driving, right? So once I continued driving, I ended up continue moving. He came out, saw me, stopped at the door. I'm waiting on the car to move. He's pushing the car into my car, and then he's gonna say some curse word like son of a beep beep, right? So man, I got pissed off, came out, started cursing, but that's how it is sometimes. It's crazy. You good. Yeah, I know how it is, man. Yeah, I know how it is. Yeah.
What do you want?
Yeah. So I just started cursing him out. Just start cursing. All right. Yeah. Just to show you, this guy right here. He parked right there, right? But him and his little daughter came out. So he left his windows down. So I was telling him you know, yo, your window is down. He said it should be good, it should be good. So he came back and looked and said, somebody gonna get me while I'm gone? I said, nah, you're in good hands, man. This area is pretty much good, so you shouldn't have no problems. People leave their windows down all the time in these areas. I don't know about other areas, but this area we're in, it's pretty safe, it's pretty good. People just drive off and leave their car door open, the windows open. You know, if you drive around in the parking lot right now, you're gonna see a lot of cars with their windows down. Look, see, there's one right there, windows down. You know, everywhere you go, if you drive down these aisles, everybody just come out and leave, and they even leave the car running sometimes. To be honest, where I was before, by the over where the Marshalls was, I came out, the car beside me was just running. Apparently they didn't want the car to get hot inside, so they left the car on with the AC on, no one in it. So, you know, they be leaving their cars open. It's pretty cool over here though. You don't have not much issues over here. You know, I need to clean this glass too. The glass is dirty. Yeah, guys. I'm gonna put my seatbelt on. I'm still in the parking lot though, but yeah, this guy right here, the Jamaican food truck guy, I know him. He started that bus probably right in the middle of shutdown. He started that, so he's everywhere. It's a little Jamaican school bus. Jamaican, and the funny thing is, the dude who owned it, he's not even Jamaican. He comes from another island, some other island. But he's rocking with the Jamaican theme though. He's everywhere. He's by the restaurant store sometimes, restaurant depot selling food. So yeah. But yeah, guys, we here, man. We on it. It's now 12 o'clock. I'm gonna go home and get something to eat real quick. I don't eat till 12 every day. So whenever I have my last meal the day before, I don't eat until the next day at 12 o'clock. So it's like I fast every morning, you know, until 12. But yeah, I wonder who's in these buses right here. They got some transportation buses. I know the team, the soccer team is in town. So whenever you see 3-4 of these buses traveling around, it's more likely some kind of team they carry. Yeah, guys. So you know, we out here. Colors would have said we out here without fear. But this is how the days goes, guys. We just always on the road every day. I'm getting this, getting that, whether it's business related or non-business related. I'm just, you know, out here every day doing what I gotta do, you know. So, yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna check back in once I get back to the house. I'm gonna take all these things out and head to the farm market next. Oh, and I have yesterday's video to edit too. I gotta get with that, so I'm gonna be doing that. Sorry guys, I'll check back in a second. So guys, I forgot to film me setting up the grill. The grill I bought earlier. That's what it looks like right there. It's a little tiny grill, but I pretty much forgot. I put some charcoal in it just to burn the grill off. I didn't cook anything on it, but I put some charcoal in it, burn it, close it up, and leave it so it could, you know, just burn off the heat, burn the grates off and stuff like that. But yeah, I got it set up and everything in the garage. I was there doing it, but it was so hot outside, I was hurrying to just get it set up, and I didn't film it. It would have been good to show you how to put it together, or how I put it together. But yeah, it's easy. It's really easy. I just put the handles on and, you know, screw the legs on, and that's it. But yeah, Got that done. So now, let me go through my list. I'm here watching another subscriber. Not subscriber, I'm subscribed to a YouTuber, so I'm watching them. Alright, so it's now 5 in the evening, it's still Friday. Did most of what I need to get done. I went to all the stores, returned the shorts, picked up the grill. I did not go to any of those restaurant stores. I'm thinking I'm just gonna get the other stuff new. If I see a sink, I'm searching for a sink. So if I see a sink come up anywhere, then I'll yeah, if I see a sink show up anywhere, I'll go take a look at that if it's used, or you know, I'll just buy it new. But I think as far as the equipment, what I've been seeing so far, I might just buy those equipment new, the refrigerator and the oven. I'm not seeing them at a good price for me to, you know, buy it used. If it costs, let me tell you, so I'm gonna give you some prices right now. On the oven, brand new, it's $37.89, and the used ones on the road is more than that, 4, 5, 6,000. They're selling them for, right? So if I'm not getting one of those ovens for like 2,500, then it don't make no sense buying it used, right? And it has to be in good, great, excellent condition at 2,500 for me to consider. Because why are you gonna buy a oven 2,500 or 3,000 used when you could just put 700 on it, 800, and get it new? You know, that don't make no sense. That would be penny wise and pound foolish. Because if you buy it for 3,000 and it's used, it might break, you know, after you get it, and then you spend more than what you would pay for a new one. So if it's close to the new price, I ain't gonna buy it. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I still haven't made it over to Sam's on the farm market, so I'm gonna head over there now, and pick up those things. And then once I pick up those things, then I'm gonna head back to drop them off here, and then pick up my daughter at 8:30. So yeah, guys, give me a few. I'm gonna head out and head over to the farm market and Sam's, and then come back. Alright guys, I'll check in with you. Alright guys, so we're back from the farm market, getting more chicken. Give me a second, I'm gonna put them. We're getting more chicken. Alright guys, so it's almost the end of the day. Pretty much I got home, got everything from the farm market, seasoned all the meats, and get everything ready for the trip on Sunday. So for all who wasn't following, I'm taking a little river trip with the family this weekend. Daughters and, you know, father, everybody. We're just going up to the river tubing. We're gonna be there and do a little cookout on the riverside, up in Helen, Georgia. So I was seasoning up all the meats and everything. It's now Friday evening, so I seasoned up all the meats and everything. I'm gonna cook them from tomorrow night. That way we'll have them on Sunday. So tomorrow, Saturday night, I'll cook them, because tomorrow morning I'm heading up to Nashville to pick up the tiles for the Peppers project. So I'll be out all day tomorrow, and then once I get back, I'll start cooking for Sunday. But after this, once I pick up my daughter, there's nothing else we could pretty much do. you know, it's now 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Look guys, it's 9 o'clock, 10 minutes to 9, and it's nice and bright. The sun is still setting over there. So depending on where you guys live or where you are in the world, it's probably dark by now, but it's still sunny. Well, not sunny, but you know, bright here. Yeah, and I think I'm just gonna close this one out, close this vlog out real quick, and call it a day. Yeah, I'll catch you first thing in the morning. I'm gonna leave out probably about 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, head to Nashville. I should get there maybe about 9. It's a 4-hour drive, so if I leave 5, I'll get there like 9, between 9 and 10. I'll pretty much show you some footage while I'm on the road, you know, early in the morning. I'll get to it. Alright, we'll check in the morning, guys. I'm gonna close this one out. Peace. Be safe.